Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a desktop shortcut for your profile on Google Chrome. So maybe you customize your profile and you choose some setting, you adjust some setting on your Google Chrome, but you use your PC, you use your laptop, just not only for you, maybe you use with your sister, your brother, and you afraid your brother or your any of your family change your settings, so you need to save it. You need to create a different profile in order to only access for you only. So here you can make it personal by create your own shortcut to your desktop. So first thing to do, you can tap three dot at the top right corner of your screen and click settings. Here you can click on customize your Chrome profile. Scroll down till you find create desktop shortcut. So you can create a desktop shortcut on your device to access directly to this profile. You can turn this on and see there is a shortcut on your desktop. Just double click and you can access your profile directly. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.